Driving through the winter wonderland. Just a little bit more extra footage of me driving the 2016 Jetta through the snow. They did a great job of salting the road, so that's why you don't see the roads, that slippery yet. But it's still coming down. As you can see, it's white everywhere. This is the cool part about winter time. It's not just cold for no reason. If it's gonna be cold, it might as well snow. But yeah, to you guys who are wondering how the Jetta handles in the snow, handles nice, man. Will I say it handles that much better than any other front wheel drive car I've ever driven? Uh, I can't say that yet. To me, it seems like they all have a generic type of traction control where you hear that when the tires start spinning, you hear that you feel the of the traction control. But it seems like they all get that part from the same company. I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of these manufacturers share the same parts, same technology. But yeah, any car can go in a straight line here through the snow, pretty much no problem. The thing is, when the sun goes down and the temperature drops, and you have ice out here, especially on the back roads, how well will the car handle then? Well, that depends again on your feel for the road and your feel for your car, your how comfortable and familiar you are with your area, and most importantly, uh, how are your tires? Are your tires have proper tread on them so that you can get traction? Because that's all this is about in this type of weather is traction. Now, something like this, stopping on a downhill, you want to be careful about because you can easily slide into the back of another car when in icy conditions. I mean, I've had to swerve from hitting the back of cars at certain times when I was going a little too fast. Not in this car. Oh, you see the traction control kicking in right now going up this hill? I can feel it working because it was slipping going up that hill just now. And that's only because this is front wheel drive. Oh, sliding going around that turn there a little bit of slide action. Okay. So now this tells me now I have to slow down. Just common sense. I'm not out here racing nobody. We're not racing. Slow down. Because if you run into a tree or into a ditch, you're really gonna be late or slow to wherever you was trying to go. So just take it down a notch. That's all. No matter if you got cars behind you, you know, uh, tailgating you, you know, slow down anyway. Now we're about to go down a downhill. Now this is why it's good to know your area. So I'm slowing way down, people. I don't know if you could tell this is a downhill, a steep downhill. I don't know how well that comes across on camera, but I'm slowing way down because I'm slipping now. I'm slipping, I'm slipping, slipping, slipping. Oh, oh. Slip. I slipped straight through that damn I slipped straight through that that light, almost hit a car. So what that tells me, that was great to have this on camera. So what that tells me is it's time to get off the road, at least for now, because once you hit the brakes, you're losing all traction out here right now. So yeah, guys, the main thing is even if you have four-wheel drive in conditions like this, you do not want to push your luck. You don't want to push your the vehicle beyond its capabilities. Um, when these conditions, even the best driver can have a mishap. So with that being said, let me get focused out here, and I'll see y'all on the next one.